Hi, this is Reggie from Result Plus Physical Therapy, and in this video I want to tell you 3 ways on how you can improve your back pain without having to see your doctor or without having to take pain medications. Back pain is the most common condition we see in the clinic. Studies have shown that back pain affects 3 million Americans every year, and studies have also shown that at least at one point in an adult's life they would have had experienced back pain. Are you one of them? Or are you having back pains right now? How is that affecting you? How is that affecting your family? How is that affecting your friends? And how is that affecting your job? Because having back pains can affect your financial future, your potential to make more money. So that's why I want to tell you 3 ways, 3 very simple ways on how you can improve your back pain without seeing the doctor and without having to take pain medications. I want to make it simple because in my experience, if you make it too complicated, people end up not doing it. All right, so these are 3 things that you can do and implement in your daily life that can help you relieve the back pains. All right, but first, what causes back pain? Back pain is caused by an imbalance in the body. These are called fault lines, and these fault lines causes stiffness or tightness, which causes weakness and eventually leading to pain and inflammation. So for you to be able to have more permanent relief for your back pains, we have to resolve this problem. We have to restore, the balance in the body. You have to correct these imbalances. Now, these 3 ways that I want to tell you, it will help you achieve that. All right, but they're very simple, like I said. So, what's the first one? Number one is I want you to not sit for longer than 30 minutes. When you have back pains, sitting practically is the worst position for you. Standing and walking are actually better. So if you have to sit longer than 30 minutes, I want you to get up, walk, change your position. Why is this so? Because sitting increases the pressure on your spine, increases the pressure on your discs, right? And not only that, when you're sitting down, the muscles on the front part, when you're sitting like this, the muscles on the front part of your hip, they get shortened. These muscles are called your hip flexors, so they get into a shortened position. When they're shorter, then they actually put more pressure on your spine. They pull on the discs, and also it causes compression on the nerves that come out of your spine, and that can potentially lead to pain in the future. So that's why sitting is worse for you. Okay, so I want you to try that. Now, the second way is I want you to check your mattress, because we spend a good chunk of the day lying down or sleeping. So we want to make sure that the mattress is good. So what's a good mattress? You want your mattress to be firm, right? So that way when you're sleeping, because if your mattress is too soft, you're gonna be in this position. So your spine will be curved, and this will cause irritation on the nerves, put pressure on the disc, and it will also causes muscle spasm in the back, stretch the back muscles there. So it can potentially lead to back pains also. All right, so you want a firm mattress so that your spine will be straight. Right, you'll be in what we call a neutral spine position. So if you cannot let's say you cannot change your mattress right now, let's try this. Try sitting on the floor. Try sleeping on the floor. If you have an area rag or if you have carpeting, sleep on the floor and see how that feels. And if you can, or some people can have like a layer that they can add to the mattress that will make it firm. That will work also. Bottom line is you want to sleep in a firm surface. Okay. Now the third way that I want to tell you is this is connected to sleeping. I want you to sleep with your hips and knees bent. You can put a pillow under your knees. All right. So you're sleeping. You're sleeping on your back. Okay. And your hips and knees bent like this, and you can put the pillow under your knees. Why do I want this? Is because when in this position, your back is straighter, right? It relieves the pressure on the spine, and you're sleeping in a neutral spine position again. So we want as little amount of pressure and strain on your back as possible. And when you're sleeping, like I mentioned, we sleep a chunk of the day. So that is a good way that we can relieve the pressure on the spine so that your spine is not being irritated every moment that you're sleeping. All right, so those are three very simple ways that I want you to try. If any of them means anything to you, I would want to know. Leave a comment below, and I would love to hear them. You can also follow us on Facebook, on Instagram, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I'll see you on I'll see you on the next video. Bye.